Welcome to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. This tutorial was intended to provide us guidelines on how to clean install Windows 11 Home on a system that doesn't meet the minimum requirements established by Microsoft. Also, we will create a local account without internet access to avoid the Microsoft account creation requirement. At boot up, press the corresponding key to enter into your system BIOS, in this case, F2 key. Then, change the boot priority order and set the installation media device as first boot device. If you use a USB stick, then set it as first boot device. When done, save the changes and boot the system from the installation media device, in this case, the CD or DVD-ROM. Now, press any key to boot from the installation media. We will try to install Windows 11 Home version as we used to do with other Windows versions in the past. As you can see, this system doesn't meet the minimum requirements established by Microsoft. Let's reboot the system and make some registry tweaks to avoid this issue. Now, press Shift and F10 keys simultaneously to launch a prompt with administrator privileges. Type regedit to launch the installation media's registry editor. Once launched, navigate to the Setup key as shown on this demonstration. Right-click on the Setup key and create a new key with the name labconfig as shown. The registry keys are case-sensitive, so be careful, and type then exactly as shown. Then, select the labconfig key and right-click on the right panel of the registry editor to create the corresponding dword values as shown on the demonstration. Click on each value and set the value data to 1. Once done, close the registry editor and launch the setup application of the installation media as shown. Now, let's try to install our operating system again. As you can see, the restrictions are gone, and we are ready to install. At this point, you have to disconnect the PC from any internet access. Now, choose your region and keyboard layout as shown. Press Shift and F10 keys simultaneously to launch a prompt with administrator privileges. Launch the bypass NRO script as shown. This will restart the system and we are going to be able to create our local account. Now, choose your region and keyboard layout as you did earlier. Then, click the option I don't have internet access and continue with limited setup. Finally, type your username and password and answer the security questions. When you finish the setup, wait a few minutes and your operating system should be up and ready to use. Thanks for watching.